Hello everyone, welcome back to Logging It channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to download and install the Telegram in laptop. So for that, first of all, you need to open a browser on your PC. Once you open the browser, you need to tap open the new tab on there. On the search bar of the new tab, you need to type in desktop.telegram.org and press enter. This will direct you to the official page of the Telegram. From here, you will be able to download the application for your desktop. So here you can see the option of Get Telegram for your Windows. You just click on that. And with that, the file for the Telegram will be downloaded. Over here, you can see the downloading process. So here you can see the file being downloaded for the Telegram application. You can see the file has been downloaded. Now you just tap on Show in Folder. You click open it. Here you click on OK. Click on Next. Click on Next. Next again and click on Next. At the end you click on Install. The installation process for the Telegram will begin. Click on Finish. And with that you have successfully downloaded and installed the Telegram for your laptop. Here you can see the Telegram icon over here. Now that the application has been downloaded, you can just start messaging to your friends and families from Telegram. So this is how you can download and install the Telegram application. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe to the Logging It channel. And also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.